Hi everybody, welcome back to How To with Matt. Today's how-to is going to be moving an image around the screen and placing it in a specific spot. So as you can see, I already have clips here on the timeline as well as an image right here. So since we want to move that image around the screen and put it in a specific place, first what I'm going to do is move the tracker right over top of it and then press actually on the image. So now you'll see the subscribe image right there. We're going to make sure we're on the video tab right here, which we are. Transform, and then under that you'll see where it says position X and Y. So X is going to be your left and right, Y is going to be your up and down. So on the X, if you wanted to move that subscribed image to the right, I'm going to left click and then slowly drag to the right. You'll see that moving to the right. To move it to the left, move it to the opposite direction, just like that. And then on the Y, once again, that's the up and down. So if you move it to the right, that's going to move it up. If you move it to the left, that's going to move it down. A little trick when it comes to centering an image, you're going to make sure both are set to 0 and 0, both X and Y, and that's going to place it directly in the center of the screen. And that right there is how to move an image around in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, comment below with any questions, and also be sure to check out all my other DaVinci Resolve how-to tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.